Hi, welcome to the Windows Server training free course, and today is day 3. I would like to show you how to enable remote desktop on Windows Server 2016. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Windows Server on my virtual machine. Okay, so here you click on the start button here, and you can, in the Windows Server, you can see the server manager, or you can type in here server manager and click to open this application. Okay, so here on the left panel we have the dashboard, local server, on server. You go ahead to click on local server. Yes, and in the property of the window, you can see here we have the remote desktop is disabled at this time. Click on this one. Okay, it will open a dialog which will be showing the remote desktop information. Okay, so here underneath the remote desktop tab, you see in the section remote desktop, we have two options. Don't allow remote desktop a remote connection to this computer, and the one is allow remote desktop connection to this server. Okay, and after that, a warning message will be displaying. It says if you click on OK button here, it will automatically add a rule for the firewall on this PC. Go ahead to click on OK button now. Yeah, so now click on OK. It will close the pop-up, and here you see in the property the remote desktop information still is disabled. You click on the refresh button here on the top right menu. Yeah, so now you see the status of remote desktop has been changed to enable. Okay, so that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to enable the remote desktop on the Windows Server. Okay, thank you for watching, bye bye, and see you later.